Hello everyone. In this video, we'll have a look at the question we have here. So this question is about market equilibrium. So as you can read, we have to find out the equilibrium price and the equilibrium quantity. So that's the task using the demand and supply equation given in the question, right? So what we have to do here is first, before even looking at the multiple choices given as the answers, you go and find out the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity by yourself because you know to do that, right? You know how to do that. So let's do that first and then take that equilibrium price, take that equilibrium quantity, and then go and look for them in your answers and see whether you have them. If you have them, that's it, right? So let's try it out. So first of all, you have to know what is market equilibrium. Simply, market equilibrium is the condition or situation in the market where quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. That's market equilibrium, right? That's what market equilibrium is. So the first step, right, is to substitute QD with the demand equation given. So that is 16 minus 4P and do the same to the supply, right? So supply equation is minus 8 plus 4P. So what we have done here is we have, created the market equilibrium condition, the equation, QD equals QS, and for QD we have put the demand equation, for QS we have put the supply equation, right? Now we have made them both equal to one another. And if you look at this equation now, we can see that there's only one unknown variable, which is the price. So that's what we have to do. That's your first step. We have to solve this equation for P, making it the subject. Then whatever the value you get for P while you solve this equation, that value would be the equilibrium price, because the price you get now, the value of P you get by solving this equation would be the equilibrium price, because this is the market equilibrium, demand and supply. You have made them equal to one another. So let's do that. Bring this 4P to one side, because that's what you have to do first. Bring the complete numbers to one side, and then these unknown variable to the other side. So when you bring this minus 4 to the other side of the equation, this minus 4 will become a plus 4. You do the same to this minus 8 also. When it comes to the other side, it will become a plus 8. So 16 plus 8 equals 4P. When this P comes to this side, again, it's going to be a plus 4P. So 8P equals 24. Now, 8P's are equal to 24. So 1P is equal to how much? So you divide this, 8P by 8. So you do the same thing on the other side. Then only you'll maintain this as an equation, right? Whatever you do on one side, you have to do it on the other side also. So price equals 3 rupees. Now this is your equilibrium price, because this is the price. 3 rupees is the price when QD and QS are equal. That's what we have calculated now. Now, what we have to do is to find the second step, to find the equilibrium quantity. To do this, you have to take this equilibrium price and put it in the demand or supply equation, right? Whatever the quantity you get at the equilibrium price has to be the equilibrium quantity. So that's what you are going to do. And I recommend you to always have the habit of taking this equilibrium price and putting it in the demand equation, right? You can put it in the supply equation also, but I recommend you to do it by putting it in the demand equation. So the demand equation is QD equals 16 minus 4P. QD equals 16 minus 4P. Then in the place of the price, you put the equilibrium price, which is 3. So 16 minus 4 multiplied by 3. 16 minus 12. So the quantity demanded at the equilibrium price is 4 units. 4 units, right? So equilibrium price is 3 rupees. Equilibrium quantity, as you can see, is 4 units. So you just have to look for that in the answers. And do you have it? Right. Answer B, equilibrium price is 3, equilibrium quantity is 4 units. Just in case, just to double check, let's take this equilibrium price 5 and put it in the supply equation also. So supply equation goes like -8 plus 4p. In the place of price, we'll put the 3 rupee equilibrium price. Then what do you get? -8 plus 12, again 4 units. So you can see at 3 rupees, demand is 4 units, supply is also 4 units. So that's equilibrium, right? We'll do more questions in the coming videos like this. So have a nice day.